Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News.
Virginia-based reggae band SOJA, Soldiers of Jah Army, has won the 2022 Best Reggae Album Grammy Award for Beauty in the Silence, eclipsing the 5 Jamaican nominees and leaving many speechless. It's the first time an all-white reggae band has won the award, and the third time a non-Jamaican person or group has won in the reggae category's 37-year history. British band Steel Pulse won in 1987 with their album Babylon The Bandit, followed by British singer Sting, who teamed up with Shaggy for 44/876 in 2018. SOJA came out ahead of Queen of Dancehall Spice, who was nominated for her debut album 10, reggae songstress Etana, who earned a nomination for Pamoja, Sean Paul for Live and Living, Jesse Royal for Royal and Gramps Morgan for Positive Vibration. The band members were magnanimous in victory, saying thanks and paying tribute to Jamaica, the homeland of reggae. Quote, "We want to thank all our influences when we were growing up. Starting our reggae band was kind of our dream and the only thing we wanted to do. And then one day, people started coming to the shows," band leader singer Jacob Hemphill said. "To the founding fathers of reggae music and to the island of Jamaica, you inspired us. Give thanks, one love," another said. The 13-track Beauty in the Silence was released on September 24th via ATO Records and had peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Reggae Albums, number 34 on Billboard's Current Albums chart, and at number 52 on Billboard's Top Album Sales chart. It featured collaborations such as The Day You Came with Ali Campbell of UB40 and Revolution, Press Rewind with Jay Boggs and Collie Buddz, and Something to Believe In with Stick Figure. This is SOJA's 3rd nomination and 1st Grammy win. The albums SOJA Live in Virginia, released in 2006, and Amid the Noise and Haste, released in 2014, earned their previous 2 nominations. SOJA had made their first ever visit to Jamaica in January 2015, where they made their debut performance on the island in front of relatively small audience at the Jamaica Jazz and Blues Festival at the Falmouth Multipurpose Complex in Trelawney, performing an array of songs including Tear It Down, She Still Loves Me, Rest of My Life, and Not Done Yet. Back then, Jacob Hemphill had also taken time out to express gratitude to Jamaica for creating reggae music, a genre he told the audience he grew up listening to. Quote, "For the past 20 years of our lives, we've been listening to this music. Thank you guys for making us a part of this beautiful picture. Thank you for watching."